Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFI token. As in my earlier videos, I was showing with that YFI token first broke out a quite long-term down channel, and after that it also broke out another falling wedge pattern as well. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, we had a nice pump, by the way. From this though, when it was testing the support of the wedge here up till here, it pumped almost 247%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $11,240. That is a very significant resistance. You can see that for several weeks it has been breaking other resistance here. And here we had a long spike, but the price then could not break out this resistance. And here we got rejection again. And here we had a quite long spike, but the price and again could not break out this resistance of $11,240. And now recently, again, we are rejected by this resistance. And now we have broken down a quite significant support zone. That starts from $8,000 and goes to $6,900. Previously, this level had been breaking other resistance on here, support zone here, resistance, 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 and support zone. And now we have broken it down. However, we have found a quite nice and long-term uptrend line support here. You can see that we had a bounce here. We had another bounce here, another bounce here, and another bounce here. And now recently the price and has again touched this uptrend line support and the same resistance of 11,200 and 40,000 is, by the way, breaking as a resistance of this big ascending triangle. Now we have this formation of this big ascending triangle, and you can see that here we have this resistance of the triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Alpine, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared the signal on 27th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of YFI. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously you can see that it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And before the breakout, we formed another down channel that was smaller than the previous one. And we broke out both channels together. And then it got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. Then we broke out the falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, the target for this down channel and this falling wedge pattern breakout was here at the top of the channel and wedge. That was at $11,240, where we have this long-term resistance. And now you can see that the price has already achieved that target, but again and again getting rejected by this resistance. And here we have found this uptrend line support as well. And now this is the formation of another very, very big ascending triangle. And if the price line, by the way, breaks down the support of the triangle, then technical target will be here. That will be approximately at $2,034. But before that, we have so many support levels, and we have also broken out this very, very big multi-year space resistance. Therefore, it will be really very difficult for the price end to move as that much down to hit that target for the breakdown. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this ascending triangle, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $32,000. And now if we take a look at the final target for this very, very massive breakout from this channel, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be between $95,000 to $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.